This brings me to talk about surface treatments and the alloy. The first treatment is a chemical treatment of the surface called electropolishing. This electropolishing removes the machining marks from the instruments. It ensures the instrument can be properly cleaned when we want to reuse and sterilize them, but also in the evening when we want to remove residues that are on it and clogging the grooves. The second treatment used for this instrument is a heat treatment, meaning the alloy is heated for a certain period and then cooled under specific conditions, resulting in an alloy known as CYR. This means that in this case, we have a nickel titanium that is partially martensitic. Partially martensitic means it has partial shape memory, meaning part of the alloy is in austenite and another part is in martensite, which means if you apply pressure or bend the instrument, it will partially retain the shape you've given it, which is very useful for navigating curves, or when there's a particularly small mouth opening, it helps us to easily insert the instrument into the canal, but it requires us to rotate only when inside the canal. This heat treatment greatly increases the instrument's flexibility and especially its resistance to breakage, which is highly appreciated because we will have an instrument that will no longer break in the canal, something that unfortunately happened occasionally with instruments that weren't heat treated. Finally, you'll notice the comfort of use is greatly improved. There's flexibility in its use and it provides feedback sensations to the practitioner's hand, which is really very pleasant.